Welcome back to TECHMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate, and get on with your day. Multiple viewers have requested a video how to run KDE Plasma on Wayland. As I can imagine, people won't be starting from scratch. In this video, I'm going to show how to take an existing installation of KDE Plasma 5 running on X11 and then change that into Wayland. This will also work for KDE Plasma 6. We will go over how to make the switch back and forth via a manual configuration so that you can keep using X11 until you are fully satisfied to make a permanent switch. And also how to do this with a display manager to make the switch graphically before you log in to KDE Plasma. If you need to install KDE Plasma on a brand new system, skipping X11 altogether and want to go straight to Wayland, this is not the topic of this video, although I would like to think that there is still something in it for you. As such, the starting point is an existing installation of KDE Plasma 5 running on X11. If you need any help with this, refer to any of the videos that are on screen now. There are videos about a fresh installation of KDE Plasma 5 on a newly installed machine, as well as for KDE Plasma 6. Also, there is a video about how to upgrade from KDE Plasma version 5 to version 6. Links are in the description of this video for your convenience. As stated, the starting point is an existing installation of KDE Plasma 5 currently running on X11. Now log in as root from a terminal. If you are currently in KDE as a regular user, just press Ctrl-Alt-F2 to open a new terminal and log in as root. Before we proceed, it is always a good idea to make sure that the system is fully updated. Update the local package repository catalog with the command pkg update. And upgrade any packages pkg upgrade. The next step is to install Wayland together with seed-d, the seed management daemon, to provide non-root access to certain devices. Pkg install Wayland seed-d. If there is no display manager, so you need or want to start KDE manually by typing start X as shown earlier, log out as root and log in as the regular user account you are using to run KDE with. In the user's home directory, we need to edit the file .xinitrc. Please refer to any of the earlier videos mentioned. The configuration and setup of KDE has already been discussed there. Let's edit the file using the easy editor today. ee.xinitrc. And at the end of the line, replace start plasma X11 with start plasma Wayland. Save and exit the file. Escape, enter, and enter again. When you now start KDE Plasma with the start X command, Wayland is being used. If you want to further convince yourself Wayland is indeed being used, you could make sure that the package wayland-utils is installed. This package contains tools to display information about the current compositor. In my case, it is already installed. Then from within KDE Plasma, open a terminal and type wayland-info. When the interface lines contain information, for example wl_compositor, Wayland is being used. Alternatively, the variable xdg_session_type should read Wayland. Check it with echo $xdg_session_type, all in capitals. To switch back to X11, exit KDE Plasma. Open the .xinitrc file again. And update it from start plasma Wayland back to start plasma X11. And start X again. You have now seen how to manually start KDE 5 and switch back and forth between X11 and Wayland. But chances are that you are already using a display manager, likely this is SDDM, and KDE is automatically started upon a system boot. In that case, just try selecting Wayland from the list in the lower left hand corner before logging in. However, in my situation, Wayland isn't visible just yet. If you don't have SDDM as a display manager, and you need to manually invoke StartX to get KDE to start, and you want to change this to auto start, once again refer to the earlier mentioned and linked videos. But very quick, pkg install SDDM, sysrc sddm _ enable equals double quotes yes in capitals double quotes. Assuming SDDM is already or now installed and Wayland doesn't show up in the selection list, check the contents of the directory user local share x sessions. There should be a file in there called plasma wayland.desktop. If it is not there, copy it from the directory user local share wayland-sessions. Now the file is available in the user local share x sessions directory. To double check everything and make sure it is all working, I find it easiest to just reboot the machine. And now Wayland is available in the list. Select it and log in. You now have a system running KDE Plasma where you can easily switch back and forth between X11 and Wayland. That's it. Hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!